Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Noise Buds Pop truly wireless earphones. This is a very basic looking in-ear, half in-ear design, at least from the image over here. Let's see if there are any other information on this particular device. This seems to have the quad mic technology, hypersync, I don't know what that is, in-ear detection of course, transparency mode, 30 hours of playtime, which is great, and one key reset. We'll have more detailed look of all of these features in a while. Let's open this up and see what's inside. This is what the Noise Buds Pop truly wireless charging box looks like. It's really small and tiny. I'm going to keep this right here. Actually, let's remove the plastic wrap. Yeah, this is what the Noise charging case looks like. There's a micro USB charging port at the bottom over here. There's a Noise logo right here. Yep, there are some LED indicators over here, and there's one of them is blinking, which means that that basically means that the buds are inside and they have charge. And we'll take them out and see what they look like. A slight magnetic tension, which is basically means that they're like the charging ports are magnetic. Let's take a closer look at the earbuds. This is what they look like. There's the right one, there's the left one. There is a slight angle to the nozzles, you can see, and this is a half in-ear design, so this part will be jutting out. There's a Noise logo over here. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. And let's see what other stuff is there in the box. Let's put them back in the right places. Right goes in right, left goes in left. Okay, I should mention something about the charging box. This is really small and compact. Okay, there is a there's a matte gray finish to it. This is a dark gray variant of this particular device, and super small and compact and not very heavy either. I mean, it would seem that it has some weight because because the battery is in here, but it's actually not that heavy at all. So yeah, let's keep this over here and see what other stuff is there in the box. I'm going to keep this right here. So what else is there in the box? I'm going to lift this tray. Nothing here. There seems to be a box over here. I guess this is the one where we will find the charging cable and the other documents. This is really difficult to pull out. Yep, much easier. Let's keep this here. And let's take a look inside this box. Yep. And this is your warranty information. Oh, this is instructions on how to register to the company. The images of Rohit Sharma and Nora Fatehi on the package as well, on the document as well. Let's keep this one over here. Okay. Okay. Then this is an alcohol pad for cleaning the device. That's a great touch. You don't always find this in most of these devices, but this is a great touch. I think all of these electronic gadgets should carry an alcohol swab. This is the user manual for the Noise Buds Pop. Very important document. You should read it at least once. I'm going to keep this right here. And what is this? This is a quick start guide for the Buds Pop. It gives us instruction on how to pair this device in 3 easy steps. I will, however, show how this is done in a separate video. I'm going to keep this one right here. We have some extra silicone tips. Alright, very gently I'll open this back. Looks so flimsy. This particular package. Alright, one ran away. Okay, surprisingly enough, there are 4 of them. My mistake. 2 of them are stuck to each other. These 2 are the large ones, and these 2 are the small ones, with the medium ones attached to the buds already. These are the medium ones. This basically is the medium size earbud. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, this is the medium size. and these are the others, the large and the small sized ones. All right. Finally, this is the Finally, this is the USB charging cable. I'm sure. One second, pull this out. And I'm going to apologize straight ahead because this is not a micro USB charging cable. This is a USB C type charging cable. I made a mistake. I thought this was a micro USB charging port because most of these devices tend to have micro USB ports, but this is not that one. This is a USB C. This device charges with a USB C type charger. And the other end is a USB A, which means that you can, sorry, I don't know if you can see this. I'll get this closer. Yeah. There you go. The other end is obviously a USB A, which means you can plug it to a laptop, PC, or if you have a power brick, you can plug it directly to a power outlet. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Noise Buds Pop Truly Wireless earphones. Thank you for watching.